There is colors everywhere. Those buildings are gonna disappear because they're demolishing and they're building new ones. We have a squirrel over there. There's murals everywhere. There is one mural that is going to disappear from the public view because there is this construction around. So this building is going pretty fast. It's going up pretty fast. So that's the whole mural over there. So gonna be trespassed a little bit. Because that's gonna be the parking lot